we are at Halls Island. Halls Island is a really interesting project that we worked on in partnership with the Minneapolis Park and Recreation Board. The intention of this project was actually to reconstruct an island that used to be here, and then when a lumber yard occupied this property, this is Graco Park where I'm standing right now, a lumber yard occupied this property and in the 60s decided to fill in this channel in order to make their operations more efficient. So we worked to recreate the channel, to create really good freshwater mussel habitat, and also on the island is dedicated for habitat planted with native plants and a great place for turtles and birds and other wildlife that uses the Mississippi River corridor.